Good day everyone, I am Gwendolyn Santianes, and in this video, I'm going to discuss about electronic mail or email. The objectives of this discussion is that after the discussion, the listeners are expected to create their own email account, execute signing in and out to their email account, and send an email to their designated recipients. Now, what is an email? Email is the short term for electronic mail. And in simple terms, email is a message that may carry text, files, images, videos, or other attachments sent through a network to a designated individual or a group of individuals. So basically, it allows us to send and receive messages from anyone with an email address anywhere in the world. So this gives us a convenience. Now, how do we use email? In order for us to use this, we need to have an email address first. This is an example of email address. Email address has 8 parts. First, we have username. Username or user ID identifies who is at an address. Our first name and last name are usually used here. Next is the domain name. It is located after the @ symbol, which tells the location of the address. And lastly is the top-level domain. Top-level domain or domain code describes the domain type. So here are types of domain. .com stands for commercial. It is commonly used in businesses and commercial enterprises. .edu for education, and it is used by schools and universities. .net for network. It is used by the internet service providers and web hosting companies. .org for organization. It is commonly used by non-profit groups or trade associations. .gov for government, and it is used by the agents of government. .pro for professionals, and it is used by professionals, of course, like doctors and attorneys. .info for information. It is for information sites. And lastly, .in for international. And it is used by organizations established by international treaty. Now, how to make an email? Let us first make an email account. And this time, we will use the Gmail to make an account. There is nothing to worry in using Gmail because Gmail is free and easy to use. Now, in your computer, use internet and go to Google homepage and type www.gmail.com. Then press enter. You will see this in your screen. Now click create account. Then here, give all the information that the Gmail will ask to sign up and to have an account. So as you can see in the screen, here the Gmail asks for your username and a password that you will use in using your Gmail. Password is usually composed of 8 or more combinations of letters, numbers, and signs. A reminder, do not forget your password and do not share this to anyone. Then just follow the other steps that the Gmail will ask. And after that, you will have your own Gmail account in the Gmail server. Now let us try to sign in into your account. Now type your email account here and click Next. Then type your password here. And you can now enter again to your email. Now let us try to send an email. To do that, click the Compose Mail. After you click this, you will see the mail box. Now type the address of the account where you want to send your email on the to box. Make sure that you type the right email address so that you will successfully send your email to your designated recipient. Then type your subject on the subject bar. For example, Project and iTech. Then type your message in the message box below the subject bar and click Send after you type. Now make sure to sign out after you use your Gmail. To sign out, click the picture of your account and click Sign Out. So that's all. Thank you for listening.